Hi, I am Mohammad Afzal. Today, I demonstrate how to create a dynamic range of drop-down lists in this video, which is most useful for the company. Let's begin by creating this table in the correct manner. Then I write the data in the cells according to country-wise state. Then I create here table on the simple data just because when I update any cells in this table, it's automatically changed in the formula table. That means where I create the dynamic range of list, it's automatically updated when I add any data in this table. So here what I do, alright, in the first step. First, I create the table. For this data, Ctrl+T, simply click. Then after that, in these cells I write country, then give the formatting cell style. Just go to home button and click on cell style and select heading 1. It's perfect. Then I side of the country cells, here also type is state. So before type is state, also want to copy the formatting of the country cells to the right of the country cells. So just right click and paste formatting. Before formatting, select the country, Ctrl C, copy and paste the formatting side of the country cells. So below the country cells, here I create the drop down list, but before creating the drop down list here, I first gave the name range to the country. Select country column, then type Ctrl Shift plus F3, and here as the table present, then click on top row and click on OK. So here name created. Now select whole table country wise state and again type Ctrl Shift plus F3, and then demark the left column, only select the top row and click on OK button. So here automatically name range confirm country wise state. So now I create drop down list below the country cells. Just click on data validations, click on data validations. Now here the table and select, click on list, then source, select all the country below the country cells. Now here you note that it's automatically write equal to country, just because before I give the name range country. So if I backspace this country and again write equal to country, it's take the automatically country cells where I write below the all the countries, then click on OK button. So here I create the countries drop down list below the country cells. This is simple, but here again I create the use the formula of indirect. So again go to data, when I create this drop down list, when go to data validation, select any value, select list equal to, I use here the indirect functions. I before say I use it as a third step, equal to indirect, INDIRECT bracket open, then select below the country cells where I before create drop down list here. So okay, I click it, bracket close, and then simply click on the OK button. So automatically when I select the India country, then all the states shown side by the Indian cells like Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Kolkata, Chennai. As you see, this is the magic of the dynamic range of the drop down list. When I click on the USA country, it automatically shows the state of the USA. So again, when I select any country like France, it shows the France state. It's magic, no? This is the advanced Excel. You easily understanding this formula, these terms, and very useful terms in the MNCs and mostly companies. So here, when I update any country in the country column below the Russia cells, it's automatically come in the country cells. Also, when I write the China in the country-wise state, mostly state in the cells is automatically update the dynamic range of the drop-down list. So here I add China in the country table. Now after that, I create the China state. China, when I enter, it's automatically covered by the table because I already selected Control T for the table range. This is called the dynamic range of drop-down list just because of this table. So I write the all state and know that Shanghai, Zhejiang. I know that the pronunciation of these states is very difficult to me, but I tried. Hainan, Fujian. So if I pronounce this state wrong, so don't mind about that. Then here China is automatically in the country cells. You see that China. Okay, when I select the China, it automatically take the all state. Again, if I write any other country in the country column or state in the state column, it's automatically updated. This is called the dynamic range of drop down list. This is the magic of the Excel. You have to know this concept to apply in your current companies. So thanks to watch this video on my channel Simplex Mind, and subscribe for more video if you want to more advanced Excel video, and also like if you understand very clearly. So again, thanks for watching us. Subscribe it, share it, and please like it. Thank you.